Okay, once you're in the back end of your order online page and you have more than one location, you can easily choose the different locations from the top left. So for example, if you have more than one location, you'll see this feature right here. If you only have one location, you won't see this. So if you see something called My Sites right here at the top left, that means that you have more than one location. So here's how you do that. You click on My Sites and then you choose your different locations. So for example, this one is Egan Bayleaf, Eden Prairie. So when I click on this one, I press dashboard to change to the other location, or I can go to this location. How do you tell which location you're on? Usually tells you right here, okay? The other way to find out which location you're currently making changes to is look at the URL. See how the URL says Egan Bayleaf right here? That means that the changes that are being done here is being changed to Egan Bayleaf, okay? So that's very important. I would always look at this because sometimes this name can be, because this name can be easily changed from here. So for example, I go here and let's say this is Egan Bayleaf and I want to change it to Egan Bay Store. See how it changes? So that's why it's better to look over here because this is the correct information. This is also correct too, but it may have the same name twice. So, but you can always change this yourself. So if you see two of the same names here, that means that the names weren't updated at this section. So make sure to update them. That way you can tell the difference. Okay. So let's say this location you prefer it to be called Eden Prairie location. You can change that. So for example, I can say Eden Bayleaf location. See? Okay. So I'm gonna do it that way, and then I'm gonna go to the other one, and this one I'm going to call it Eden Prairie location. Right here, it's called settings. Right here, see it, settings, general, and then I'm going to say Eden Prairie location. And you can also change the tagline if you want. You can say, "We make great food." Okay, so see, it shows it right here. And then, as you already know, to log into the backend, you put WP admin. Okay, let me show you what I mean by that. So if you're wondering how did I get back here, how was I able to make changes here, or how did I get back here, right here, you go to the URL of the order online page, and at the very end you put these words right here, WP admin. See, WP admin, and you can do the same thing for the other location too. So watch, let me show you what I mean by that. When I go to the other location, Eden Prairie, I click on dashboard, and you'll notice that it also says WP admin, and the only difference is the name changed. Okay, so that's how you can tell which location you're on. So again, that's how you make changes. So let's say I want to change update the menu for Eden Prairie. All I do is I press Clover Order Settings, right? When I press Settings, that means that I'm making changes to this location here because right here it's associated with that one. I press Import Sync Inventory, and then I press Update Order Types, Update Modifiers, Update Categories, Update All Items. Okay, now what I did was I synced the menu for the order online page with Eden Prairie location. Okay, remember I have to do this one more time for the other location because when you do a sync here, it only does it for this location. So now when I'm waiting for this to finish, once this is finished, I'm gonna go and do the other location. Look, I'm gonna go here and press Eden Bayleaf dashboard, right? See how it changed to see how it changed to Egan Bayleaf like that, and then I press Clover Order Settings. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Take a look. I'm going to press Import Sync Inventory, and I'm going to do that. See how I'm updating the menu to make the prices update. Update categories. Update all items. Okay, see, that's how you do that. And again, you can make changes, other changes. If you have more questions or you need additional help, feel free. You can watch our other video tutorials right here, or you can press feedback help. This is a very important link right here, because when you click on it, you'll get this button right here called documentation. And over here, you can find quick answers. Let's say you want to hide an item, just type in the word hide, press hide an item. It'll show you how to hide an item. See, it says click here, here, and hide item. Let's say you want to hide category, just type in the word hide, find hide a category, and it'll tell you press this, this, and this to hide the item, to hide the category. Again, lots of nice tutorials here, information to help you out. All right, okay. Thank you so much.